It is a u. And what about Cm? Cm is just equal to the v because it is a rectangle. It is a u, v, sorry. And what is the OM? OM. It is equal to the T. So you can write here V is equal to U plus AT from the first equation of motion. I have replaced the V by the first equation of motion. It becomes 2U plus AT multiply T and 2. It becomes UT plus half AT square. Finally, you get the second equation of मोशन. तो याद रखिएगा ये v को मैंने यहां रिप्लेस किया है, इस साइड में लिख लीजिए, यूजिंग फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. क्लियर? Are you getting all these things? Let me again explain you. Same graph was here. मुझे डिस्प्लेसमेंट चाहिए था. कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था डिस्प्लेसमेंट? हम एरिया निकाल लेते हैं. एरिया में क्या किया मैंने? दिस इज अ ट्रेपेजियम. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट. सम ऑफ द पैरेलल्स आर इनटू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू साइड्स. राइटिंग ऑल दोस वैल्यूज गिवन देयर u v and putting replacing v by the u plus at. Okay. So we now move to the third equation of motion. Remember it. It is very important part of your curriculum, and especially in this chapter. Derivation as well as the numerical on this. Now third equation of motion. Again, I write the displacement part. Displacement of object is equal to area of trapezium, जिसको भी मैंने डिस्कस किया था, OACM. It is C again of sum of the parallel sides OA plus CM into T. From first equation we can write V is equal to U plus AT or AT equal to V minus U or T equal to V minus U upon A. Now putting the value of T here and putting the value of OA and CM, what we get? OA कितना था हमारे पास में? V. OA हमारे पास में U और CM कितना है? V. These two values and third is a T. Putting in this equation, so OA is U plus V and it is V minus U upon A. V plus U, V minus U. I think you know about the identity which says A minus B, A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So I can write here S equal to V square minus A square upon 2A. It is 2A. S equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको। This is the third equation of motion. Here you see we can find the velocity of the object if initial velocity is given to you, acceleration is given to you and the distance covered. यहाँ पर हमको टाइम की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है। जितनी हमारी तीनों इक्वेशन है उन सबकी कुछ स्पेशलिटी है, सर्टेन कंडीशन है, उसको हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं। सो गो थ्रू दिस पार्ट sincerely with the full concentration. Again I am saying equation of motion in this chapter, first chapter, is very important, and afterwards I will give you some numericals. I will even solve. First I will solve some numericals for you, then you will try it. Okay, today I stop here. I think most of the part of the first chapter it is completed, and again you can see the videos. You have the facility right now. This is the added advantage when you are going to e-learning class. You can rewind the videos wherever, whenever you have any problem. So go through that, but do it cheerfully. There is no pressure, even though you are living in the some typical situation right now in the country in the lockdown. But whenever you study with the full objective, cheerful environment. Okay, thank you.